Yo everybody, so today I'm going to show you guys how you can go ahead and get the display names on Roblox. And also in this video, there's going to be a little secret method that I'm going to show you to get free Robux as well, like unlimited amounts. So you're not going to want to miss out on that. It's basically going to be a win-win situation because I'm going to show you how to get the display names on Roblox and also how to go ahead and get free Robux as well as like a little secret like trick in the end of the video. So yeah guys, let's get right into it. Make sure you guys leave a like on the video and subscribe. And by the way, this is gonna work on like any like PC or mobile device, but you will have to first set it up on mobile. It's pretty simple though. You're gonna be able to do it on iOS and Android. So let's get right into it guys, and make sure you leave a like. And now I'm gonna go ahead and show you all how to get the display names. Alright everybody, so now I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys exactly how to go ahead and get the display names update on a Roblox. And also, like I said, you're gonna be able to get free Robux, which I'm gonna show you guys proof of right now. So let's go ahead and get right into it. This is not clickbait or anything. I'm not gonna go ahead and stretch this video out to get like AdSense money or whatever. This is the real deal, guys. So basically, we're gonna be using this Roblox Plus app right here. And when you open it up, I'm gonna show you guys how it works. But later in the video, I'm gonna show you guys how to download this app. And basically, like, this is like the modded version of Roblox. And you guys are gonna see what I mean right here. So the first feature is, like I said, we're gonna be able to get the display names and pretty much change our username to anything we want anytime as well. Like, we can go ahead and use any username even if it's taken by someone else, and you can change your username as many times as you want. So let's say you changed your username yesterday, it doesn't matter, there's not going to be a limit, so you're going to be able to go ahead and change it the next day once again. So the way it works is you're going to see like your name right here, and then there's going to be like this like little blue add icon. We're just going to go ahead and tap on that, and then it's going to say like type new username, and then you just tap save. So basically, I don't want to change my username right now, so I'm not going to go ahead and do that. I'm cool with the username I have right now. And by the way, if any of you guys want to add me, I'm down to play always. But yeah, I usually do like wipeout type game modes, like a lot of like custom game run, a lot of like fun mini games and stuff like that. But anyways, guys, yeah, basically the way it works is you would just go ahead and type in your username and then tap save, and then it would apply the changes, and you would have your new username. Sometimes it takes a little bit of time to like update like in all your like friend lists and stuff, so your friends might see your old name still, or like when you're in a game it might still show your old name for like maybe an hour or so, but then after that it will update pretty quickly. But guys, that's how you change your username in the app. Also, if you want to get the free Robux, like I said, all you have to go and do is tap on this, and this is how cool it's going to be. So as you guys can see, it says balance 0 Robux. Now, because we're in the Roblox Plus, everything in here is actually free. So as you can see, 880 Robux is $0. Now, if we were to actually go ahead and pay like real money for that, I think that would be like, I don't know the price on it. If any of you guys do though, let me know in the comments, but I'm pretty sure it's expensive. But basically the way it works is we just go ahead and tap on it, and as you guys can see, we now have 880 Robux. We did it again, and now we have 1,760. We'll do it one more time just to show you guys how crazy this really is. And as you guys can see, we just got 880 Robux times 3 for completely free. So that is pretty crazy, and you're able to do this unlimited amount of time. So you can literally sit here all day and get millions and millions of Robux, and you won't get banned for doing this because, like I said, this is the modded version of Roblox. So now that I showed you guys how this app works, now I'm going to go ahead and show you all exactly how to download it. It's pretty easy to download. Like I said, you will have to set this up on a mobile device first, and then once you get your free Robux and change your name, you can go ahead and use your Roblox account on like your PC or whatever. So it's going to be exactly the same. But yeah, let's go ahead and get right into it. So the first thing that we have to go ahead and do is just make sure that our like mobile device is prepared for the install of the app. So what we have to go ahead and do, guys, is first, if you're on iOS, we have to go ahead and change some settings really quick. And if you're on Android, we also have to change some settings. But first, we'll go ahead and do the iOS devices. So go ahead and open up the settings app on your iOS device, and you're going to want to look for where it says battery. Oops, that's the wrong one. We're going to look for battery. And in battery, you guys are going to want to go ahead and look for the low power mode, and you're just simply going to want to make sure you guys have this turned off. So as you can see, we do have it off right now, and that is perfect. And as you guys can see, we do have it off. And then once you guys have done that, what you're going to want to do is go ahead and look for like the general option. And in general, you guys are going to want to look for the about setting, which is going to be like at the top. And you're just simply going to want to make sure that your software version is below iOS, is above iOS 10, my bad guys. So you're going to want to make sure that you're above iOS 10. As you can see, I'm on iOS 14.3, so I'm good to go on that. Now, if you guys are below iOS 10, unfortunately, you cannot get Roblox Plus, but easily enough though, you can simply go ahead and fix that by coming to the software update and just going ahead and updating your iOS device to like a newer iOS version. So yeah, guys, that's how easy this is going to be to do. But make sure you do upgrade if you are below iOS 10. Now, that is going to be all the settings that we have to go ahead and like apply and change on iOS. Now, if you guys are on an Android device, we also have to change some settings as well. So go ahead and open up the settings app on your Android device. And you guys are going to want to look for the setting that says battery. So as you can see, battery is right here. And in battery, we're going to go ahead and look for the battery saver. And you guys are just simply going to want to make sure you guys have this turned off. So basically, the battery saver is like the low power mode option on Android. So just go ahead and make sure you guys have it off. And once you've done that, we're going to be good on that. So that's going to be like all the settings that you have to change on Android, by the way. And if you don't see that setting that I just showed you, like the low power mode, you can actually just skip that step entirely instead of worrying about it. But anyways, guys, now that we've made the changes, we are now ready to download Roblox++ onto our device and get a free Robux and also change our display name. So how exactly are we going to download this app? Well, it is a tweaked app, which means you cannot get it from like the App Store or the Google Play Store. And the only way you can actually download this app, guys, is if you come over to this website on your iOS or Android device, like in the browser. You're going to want to go over to this site called uluhub.com. So once again, that's uluhub.com, guys. And basically, it's a tweaked app store, fully web-based, and you're able to get a bunch of apps and games, no jailbreak required. So head on over to the site, uluhub.com. And once you guys are on the site, just come to the search bar, just type in Roblox. And there it is right there. Roblox++, get free Robux and more. So what we have to go to do now, guys, is simply go ahead and tap on the app. And then it's going to say like start injection or whatever, like injection required. We're just going to tap start right here. And now all we have to go to do is just simply wait for this to load, like this progress bar. And then once it fully loads up, it will take us to the final part of the install of the app. But just make sure you guys keep on watching here until the end of the video. There is one last step that is very important that we have to go ahead and complete. So make sure you guys keep on watching right now. But basically, it's finally going to load up here, and it's going to say missing files, additional files are required for Roblox++. We're going to tap go. And it's going to say like how to install. Carefully read instructions of each additional file to unpack them. So we're going to tap go again. And now we're going to be on like the last part of the install to get the Roblox++ app installed. So it's going to say like download the additional files below to continue. And we're going to go ahead and see like a bunch of apps on here. And what we have to go ahead and do, guys, is complete every single one of these apps. And once you do all of them, then the full Roblox++ app will be installed. And now we'll be able to go ahead and get the display names and also our free Robux. So to get started, simply go ahead and read the instructions of one of the offers. And then go ahead and tap get. So that app was saying like download and install the app or whatever. So we're going to go ahead and tap get on one of the apps. And now we're running our first offer, guys. And then once you complete them, then we have to go ahead and head back and do the rest of the apps, guys. And after we've done like all of the apps, we'll be pretty much done and the full Roblox++ will be installed. Now, I don't want to make this video like very long, so I'm not going to do all of the apps. Like, it's already getting quite long, so I'm just going to go ahead and leave it off at that, guys. But that's going to be how you get your free Robux and display name. Thank you very much for watching, and peace out, everybody.